Hey there, I'm Dave, back with you. I'm the RV dummy, and it's pretty obvious. I want to let you know that I'm not in my van right now. I'm not in Sireny. By the way, Sireny is the name of our RV. Sireny means further, moving further along. So the reason we're not in the van right now, it's in the shop for some much needed minor, I'm just saying minor work, and I'm not a mechanic. I don't really do the work on the van. I'm the RV dummy. I let other people do it. Maybe that's being smart, I don't know. But what it's in the shop for right now is, well, it was my fault, but I ran over like a big chunk of wood, which punctured and damaged some of the plumbing underneath the van, some of the plumbing that from the black water tank, black water plumbing pipes, and gray water. So in case you're brand new to RVing, just real quickly, the gray water tank is the tank that holds all the water that comes from the sink, the sinks, the shower, things like that. The black water tank is the tank that holds all of the poop and the bad stuff, you know. I've got to get that fixed, because what's going on right now, every time we pull into a campground, we get leakage, it smells bad. If I go to empty the black water, I get bad, dirty water coming out, splashing all over me, sometimes in my face. And it's not really good to have a lot of poop all over you. And I started thinking about this, so that's why I'm getting it fixed. And I started thinking about this as kind of like a parallel or a metaphor to life. I mean, because there was a time in my life where I had a lot of poop all over me, and it was flowing freely, and I didn't really know how to get it fixed. But I finally figured it out, and once I figured out how to get the poop that was flowing all over me fixed, my life got so much better. It was incredible. I mean, I got a lot of bad things out of my life. Without even going into details, you can imagine relationship, some of the work that I was doing, I really was not liking. This is all kind of like the poop in my life. I'm still working on getting poop out of my life, because as my van is getting fixed at the RV shop right now, I'm thinking there's some stuff that I'm still doing in my life that is not really good and not helping me. I'll give you one example right now that's kind of an addiction. And no, I'm not addicted to drugs or alcohol or anything like that. But I felt I was becoming addicted to things like waking up in the morning and obsessing over checking the stock market report like all day long. I'd be obsessed with this, and it really was started to be like all consuming. So I figured out I'm gonna spend less time, probably no time, because it doesn't really matter what the stock market does on a daily basis or even a monthly basis or a quarterly basis. I'm in it for the long haul, and I don't have to keep checking. I just let it do what it does. If it goes down, it's okay. I don't even want to care or know. If it goes up, it doesn't matter, because I'm in it for the long haul. So I decided I'm gonna stop checking and get that crap, get that poop out of my life. And instead of that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna substitute working on things like more like my health, my body. Instead of checking the stock report, I'll go and do 15 crunches or whatever it might be that fill in that spot where I used to be checking all that crap and just messing with me, and it just wasn't doing any good. So yeah, our van is in the shop getting the black water tank fixed and the plumbing fixed, so the poop's not gonna be in my face anymore. And I'm working on my life, getting other types of poop out of my life, and it's working great. So I'm gonna leave you with this. RVing is fantastic, and I'm learning so much, and I've got so much more to share with you. By the way, in an upcoming video, I'm gonna share with you how I take a shower in my RV now, and you're gonna love this, and it's probably not what you think. I'm gonna share this with you really soon in my next video or the one after that, very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna challenge you right now. Think about the poop that you have in your life, the poop that might be when you open something up, it's splashing right back in your face, it's destroying you, it's making you dirty, it's not good for you. Think about some of that, and think about how you can get that out of your life. And not only that, get it fixed so you're substituting something healthier and better and making you happier. My God, some of the stuff that I've taken out of my life over the past 10, 15, 20 years has helped me so much. and my life is going exactly in the direction that I like. And I love being in my RV in Sireney with Yoko and our cat Boo Boo. But every once in a while, you got to take a step back because something breaks, something happens, and that's why it's in the shop right now getting it fixed. And when it comes out of the shop, no more poop in my face. So think about it. How about you? I want you to think of one thing, just one thing you're going to fix in your life today, starting right now. Let me know what it is. Comment. As I say always, I try to respond to every single comment that you make because if you take the time to watch one of my videos, and by the way, I'd like you to subscribe. So if you have not subscribed yet, click that button right there. When you take your time to watch one of my videos and you comment, I feel it's only courteous for me to reply back to you and to help you any way I can. I am Dave, the RV Dummy. If you like this, go ahead and subscribe, remember, and share this with your friends. Kisses, love ya. We're a community. We're building this. Thanks so much for your support. I'll talk to you really, really soon.